So let me take you on a tour of probably the most amazing apartment on the Gold Coast. From the moment you leave the beautiful lifts with over 60,000 worth of jade on the walls and these beautiful corridors, and you enter this apartment, you know that this is definitely something special. It is arguably the best presented and designed apartment in the Oracle Towers, if not the entire Gold Coast. Let me just take you through to the view first of all and show you just how close you are to the beach, which is about 250 meters that way. And then over there you're looking through to Burleigh Heads. And then you've got a beautiful view of the sunset setting over the hinterland. And the sun will stay there the whole summer long. You can just sit here in this beautiful outside setting and just have a glass of champagne and watch the sunset. Now there has been over $80,000 worth of fittings, furniture, flooring, lights, and 6 months worth of blood, sweat and tears that's gone into this apartment. From the $4,500 smart TV, the wall hung cabinet, the sound bar, everything is top class. I was actually going to be living here and have designed this apartment to be my dream apartment, if you like. There is a brand new refrigerator. You've got the beautiful lights over the kitchen counter, the kitchen bench. Virtually all the 1+1 apartments in the Oracle do not have a kitchen bench, nor do they have a second utility room, which turns into a bedroom like this one. You can see there's a beautiful wall here, which can just slide across and completely close that area off. And it's made of this beautiful glass. And when you don't want to use it and you don't want to have a privacy as a second bedroom, you simply open it up and you have those mirrors there on the wall and the lights and the office desk and everything here. Now this is a sofa bed, which is actually a $3,500 Italian leather sofa, which opens up, and it's got real timber support slats. So it's not one of these ones where you sink it. It's a proper bed and really good quality one. From the art on the walls, even the accessories. You even get the kitchen knives with this apartment. It's a truly beautiful, beautiful layout. You've got meal appliances. It's got a dishwasher. And also you'll notice the mood lights in the apartment. All the lights are Google voice controlled, as well as the curtains are also automatic. And I'll show you how they work in a minute. You've also got a really comfortable velvet lounge where you can just sink in and watch your 75-inch TV there on the wall. And then here is a $4,000 bar. It's leather. And yes, you do get everything that's in the bar left with the apartment. Everything in the apartment comes with the apartment. So everything you see, you will get when you become the proud new owner. Now here we have the Google lights. Let's just have a look at what happens if I say, hey Google, turn all the lights, hey Google, turn all the lights blue. There you go. The apartment just transforms into a beautiful evening lounge bar, or gives you a special mood with somebody that you care about. Hey Google, turn all the lights bright white. Now here you have to go to the master bedroom. Now, once again, everything has been bought. Literally everything in this apartment has been bought brand new for this apartment, apart from a couple of items. You've got a $4,000 LG OLED TV on the wall here as well. It's not a cheap TV. Everything here has been designed with luxury and comfort in mind. Again, in your bedroom, you can open up all the windows and let the fresh air in, as well as wash the windows, which is sometimes a problem in these apartments where you have got beautiful views, but they clean the windows twice a year. So most of the year, you're just looking through really dirty windows. Whereas here, you can wash them from the outside, and from the bedroom, you also get a beautiful sunset view of the sun setting over the mountains. There's lots of storage in this apartment. You've got a walk-in wardrobe with plenty of storage, as well as a storage cage downstairs with the car park, which is a proper car park, which is very close to the lifts. You've also got a spa or a bath here where you can sit, have a glass of champagne, and look out over the twinkling lights of the Gold Coast in the evenings. The bathroom has got lots of storage as well, lots of space. And let me just turn this other light on. You've got a rain shower here. And also you got these mood lights. So you can set them, you know, for whatever color you want. Hey Google, turn all the lights red.
Okay, changing 25 lights to red. Sorry, it
So
looks
there
like
you can
3
see.
lights aren't available right now.
Now the only lights that don't work on this system is the ones that are connected to like an overhead fan. So you're not running the fan all the time. I keep them turned off. Hey Google, turn all the lights bright white. Hey Google, turn all the lights bright white. Sometimes you have to tell them twice. Now here on the wall, you've also got control for the curtains. So you can do this via hand, and these are all automatic curtains. You've also got a handheld remote control near the bed. Oh, let me not go too far because it's a bit windy today. So we'll put them back again. Now they're also voice activated. So if I say, hey Google, start living room curtains. Okay, she didn't listen to me this time. Well, there's a handheld remote here, and we can use this one as well. You can see the curtains now are closing. It's like a luxury 5-star hotel suite. That's how I designed this apartment. I know that if you come here in person, you will absolutely love it. I am quite sad to be leaving this place, but a change of plans means now we're heading up to an acreage up north, 5 acres, and a completely different lifestyle. So you've also got a laundry here, which is, again, quite spacious. It's conveniently placed near the kitchen, so you can be doing the dishes while you're doing the washing. And lots of storage, like you've got storage in there. You've got a pantry here, so you've got lots of space. A lot of these 1+1 apartments in these 2 towers, and they're actually, this one is actually bigger than a lot of the new 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment layouts here on the Gold Coast. And certainly it's the biggest layout in the Oracle Towers. It's 99 square meters, and it is one that's designed to actually live in. You've also got a linen press and more storage behind this door here. And you've got a linen press. You can see it in there through the mirror. So you've got more storage there. So I hope that next time we see you, you're going to be coming through this door as the proud owner of the most amazing apartment on the Gold Coast, and I'll see you here.